Welcome to the world of riddles. Let's see how many of these you can solve. Here's the first one. What has a neck without a head, a body without legs, and can be found in the sea? It is a bottle. What is always in front of you but can't be seen? It is your future. What is the more you take, the more you leave behind? It is your footsteps. What can you keep after giving to someone? A promise. What can't talk but will reply when spoken to? An echo. What is easy to get into but hard to get out of? It is a trouble. I have cities, but no houses. I have mountains, but no trees. I have water, but no fish. What am I? A map. What goes up and down but doesn't move? A staircase. What has hands but cannot clap? It is a clock. What's full of holes but still holds water? A sponge. I follow you all the time, and copy your every move, but you can't touch me, or catch me. What am I? Your shadow. I can fly but I have no wings, I can cry but I have no eyes, wherever I go, darkness follows me. What am I? Clouds. I'm an instrument through which sounds are made, and yet, I am not something that can be played. What am I? Your voice. What disappears as soon as you say its name? A silence. What gets wet while drying? A towel. What comes down but never goes up? It is a rain. How many months have 28 days? 12 months, all the months have 28 days. I am easy to lift, but hard to throw. What am I? A feather. What never asks questions but is often answered? A doorbell. What has to be broken before you can use it? It is an egg. If you have me, you want to share me. If you share me, you haven't got me. What am I? A secret. If you drop me, I'm sure to crack, but give me a smile and I'll always smile back. What am I?
A mirror.
I am as light as a feather, yet no man can hold me for long. What am I? Breath. Quick break for a second, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, let's dive into question 24. What is seen in the middle of March and April, that can't be seen at the beginning or end of either month? The letter R. I have keys, but no locks and space, and no rooms. You can enter, but you can't go outside. What am I? A keyboard. Take off my skin and I won't cry, but you will. What am I? An onion. I have many teeth, but I can't bite. I'm often used early but rarely at night. What am I? A comb. I have a head and a tail that will never meet. Having too many of me is always a treat. What am I? A coin. The more you take away, the more I become. What am I? A hole. I can be cracked, I can be made. I can be told, I can be played. What am I? A joke. I have no feet, no hands, and no wings, but I climb to the sky. What am I? Smoke. I am not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I don't have a mouth, but water kills me. What am I? Fire. I can never be thrown, but I can be caught. Ways to lose me are always being sought. What am I? A cold. A seed with 3 letters in my name. Take away 2 and I still sound the same. What am I? A pea. I am hot, I am bright. I disappear at night. What am I? The sun. What starts with T, ends with T, and has T in it? A teapot. What can go through glass without breaking it? Light. What is always on its way but never arrives? Tomorrow. I am where yesterday follows today, and tomorrow is in the middle. What am I? A dictionary. I have a little house, in which I live all alone. It has no doors or windows. And if I want to go out, I must break through the wall. What am I? A chick in an egg. Here's a fun riddle to leave you thinking. What 2 things can you never eat for breakfast? Take a guess and drop your answers in the comments below. Let's see who can crack it first. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun content. See you in the next one.